Hello there, welcome back. Today let's draw a camera. So let's get started. First, draw a line with soft edges. And now let's draw a line down here on both the sides. Now let's draw the soft curves here on both the sides and join it with a slight curve. And now for the lens, let's draw a circle and another circle and another small circle. Now from here let's draw a slight curve and another slight curve here, and then rectangle with soft edges for the flashlight. And let's draw 3 vertical lines and a circle here and another rectangle with soft edges. Now from here draw a slanting line, straight line and a slanting line. Now let's draw the outline and erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.